So tired of this eon. So tired of this daily ritual, repetitive stuff. It just, I want home. I know we all do. And as a believer, you trudge along through this eon as best as you know how. We trust in God, of course. I trust in God and know He's operating it all. And every experience that I have is necessary. But I'm just tired. Just so damn tired. I try to bring, uplifting videos and share what God has me sharing. And excitement. When I get excited, it's for the future. It's for our calling above. It's for the celestials. It's for our true home. That's when I get excited. When I'm sharing things like that, or it's just tremendous. But I woke up this morning and I'm just so damn tired. I'm tired of the trying to find employment, trying to get work, trying to survive, trying to make enough money to even just survive, period. Just on that fine line of survival. But it's just exhausting. I know I'm provided for by God, but this is just so much. It's a pressurized eon, and today is one of those days where I just want to give the fuck up and just say fuck it, not do anything. But I turn on the camera, I'm talking to you. Hopefully, I can give some kind of encouragement, knowing that we're in this together as believers and brothers and sisters. Just let's get along here and just enjoy each other as much as we can. In spirit is what I'm saying. In spirit. This physical shit is got to be done away with, but the fullness of what we will have in Christ is coming. So, grace and peace. Have a beautiful day if you can.